Hi, my name is Alex, and I'm going to show you how to change a tire as if you blew it on the side of the road. First thing you want to do is to put your car in park, and then you're going to want to turn on your hazards. Then you're going to want to walk back behind your trunk, and you're going to want to find your jack and your wrench. You're going to want to come to whatever tire is blown, and you're going to start by putting the wrench on the lug nut, and you're going to want to break them loose. Just a little bit. The weight of the car helps you break it loose, because if you do it in the air, and if it's a rear tire, and if it's front wheel drive, the tire's just going to spin. Then you're going to want to take your jack, and you're going to want to crawl under the car. You're going to want to locate what's called the pinch weld. Pinch weld is when two pieces of metal meet on the bottom side of the car, and you'll be able to see what it is. And you're going to want to jack it up. Okay, once you get where the wheel can spin freely, you're going to want to do a final loosening on the lug nuts, and then you can take them off. And once you get all the lug nuts off, you can go ahead and remove the tire. Then you can grab your spare tire. You can put it on. Grab your lug nuts that you took off and start by hand tightening them. And before you lower your jack, you're going to want to snug up the lug nuts as tight as you can without it spinning. And you're going to want to go in a star pattern, which would be a crisscross pattern like this, to this, to this, to this, to this. Now you may lower your jack. Then once the jack is lower enough, you may remove it and then go back to the wheel and do a final tightening. You just want to get them as snug as you think. In real world applications, there would be a torque specification, but on the side of the road, you probably won't have a torque wrench. Same star sequence applies. And that is how you put a tire on.